Okay, so this is the flow of the code for my ECEN 260 project. We define each of the bit 0, bit 6, and bit 7, chip enable, reset, and data control. And then we have configured the screen display, the width and the length. And then we have the function prototypes that we call and then define later. And then we have the port 1 pins for switch 1 and switch 2, which is bit 1 and bit 4. We have the font table, where we can gather all of the different characters that we'll be displaying on the display that you can see in the other video. And then go back down here. Each of these are the function prototypes that we defined here for the put to display a character, set the cursor, clear the screen, and then also the other function prototypes to write the data and commands. But then we configure switch 1 and switch 2 like we've done through the semester when we press those, and then enable the port 1 interrupts. And so we are going to display a letter whenever switch 1 or switch 2 is pressed. It will then call the interrupt down here in the port 1 IRQ handler. Then while button wait, it's a boolean, so we set it up to false at the very beginning, and then it will be set to true during this while loop. And here in the interrupt handler, the IRQ handler, for switch 1 it increments through the alphabet, and then when it gets back to 27 it will reset and go back to the first one. And then as well as switch 2 decrements, so whenever it gets lower than 0 it will just restart, so it doesn't go into extra data that will just display just random characters, but it will keep cycling through the whole alphabet that was seen in the video. Yep, and this is my project.